Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr.Laxley Stephenson. Let me begin today's conversation with a question. Have you ever felt the urge to give up when the finish line seems too far or faint? I know I have, and probably too many times. What I'm about to suggest to you today is that giving up is not an option, even when victory isn't apparent. Yes, that sounds a bit off, doesn't it? Okay, then the question is why continue to persist in the face of uncertainty? Let us dive into this together. Today's discussion topic, the unseen triumph, persisting against the odds, emerged from a dialogue with a friend who prefers to remain anonymous. She expressed concerns that many people at all societal levels have fallen into a state of despondency, choosing not to engage in efforts for change. This apathy, she observed, is rooted in the acceptance of low standards as a fixed reality. It has become a convenient excuse for resignation, a justification for surrendering to circumstances rather than challenging the status quo. So, today, I encourage you to consider this. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. When you feel like surrendering, I want you to ask yourself, what strength might I gain if I surrender? Now ask yourself, what will I gain if I persevere? How will this journey shape me, even if the outcome needs to be clarified? Remember this. The most significant victories often come from the most challenging battles. The moments when you feel like giving up are precisely the moments when you're about to realize your breakthrough. Here are a few questions to think about. How many stories of success are peppered with moments of doubt? Yet it is the overcoming of these doubts that we often celebrate. Now, isn't it true that the journey's worth lies in the destination and the wisdom and strength gathered along the way? Isn't it also true that our most admired heroes are those who persisted when all seemed lost? Think about Nelson Mandela as you process that question. Let us remember that every step you take is part of a larger story you're writing for yourself. It is a narrative of resilience, of not yielding to the immediate urge to stop because something greater awaits. And while the victory may not always be apparent, isn't the promise of emerging stronger a victory in itself? I urge you I urge you to think of your struggles not as barriers, but as bridges. Bridges that lead to a better, braver version of yourself. The path may sometimes be steep, and the night is often very dark, but the dawn that awaits is worth every step. In closing, ask yourself this question. Will I choose the comfort of giving up? Or will I choose the exhilarating journey toward my unseen triumph? Let us embrace the challenge, for every thread of perseverance weaves a story of unyielding spirit and unseen victories in our lives. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.